Welcome to my channel. When you try to crop an image in Figma by grabbing the corners, and it just squishes or stretches the whole thing instead. That resizing thing really messes up the proportions, right? Let me show you the proper way to actually crop manually without that hassle. First, drag an image you want to crop directly into Figma. I am using my channel logo. Now, if you're on a Mac, hold down the Command key. On Windows, hold the Control key. While you've got that key pressed down, then pull the corners of your image. This tells Figma you want to crop it, not resize it. You can drag those corners to hide the parts you don't want, keeping exactly what you need visible. There's another way too, using the panel on the right. Just click on your image. Over in the Fill section of that right-hand panel, you'll see a little thumbnail of your image. Click that little image icon. A menu pops up, and in there, switch it from Fill to Crop mode. Once you do that, you can grab the edges or corners of your image directly on the canvas to adjust the crop, seeing it change as you go. When it looks good, just click anywhere outside the image to lock it in. Quick heads up though, this Fill panel method only works for actual images. If you're trying to crop a shape or a vector graphic, it won't quite work the same way. For those, you'd need masks or Boolean operations. If you want me to cover how to do that in another video, just let me know below. Using these cropping tricks helps keep your designs clean and sharp right inside Figma, saving you time. If this tip was useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to comment down below so I know you found it helpful and can say thanks.